Okay, if you want to pause the video now and have a go, otherwise let's get started. So there are two rules when you're changing the subject of a formula or rearranging equations, and that's get rid of any fractions and get rid of any brackets, so expand the brackets. We don't have any brackets here yet, although I feel that they will come soon. So I'm going to write out the question. So this is 10 minus 3y and y minus 5. And I'm going to put the lines in so I can show my working out clearly. Okay, so whenever you've got a denominator or a numerator of a fraction, you can imagine them having brackets around it. So what I can do is I can times both sides by y minus 5 to get rid of that fraction, and that's going to be a really important first step. So we end up with x brackets y minus 5, or x times y minus 5, and then we're just left with the 10 minus 3y there. Now, looking at the second rule, get rid of the brackets. So I'm not actually going to do anything either side, I'm just going to break open the brackets. Okay, now the important bit of this question is to make sure that we've got the y's together, because we want to make y the subject. Now some of you might think, well hang on, how can we possibly make y the subject? There's two terms with y in it. Well, we'll come to that in a little bit. So we're going to add 5x both sides to get the x's on the right hand side. So that will leave xy equals 10 minus 3y plus 5x. And we're going to add the 3y, so we get the y's on the left hand side. So we end up with xy plus 3y equals 10 plus 5x. Okay, now we factorize so that we just get one y. Okay, so I'm going to factorize the left hand side and get or divide y out. So we've got x plus 3 equals 10 plus 5x. And then I'm going to divide across the x plus 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by x plus 3. When I do that, I get y equals 10 plus 5x over x plus 3. And I don't need the brackets anymore.